Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the blank TV screen or monitor while your Xbox Series XS is on. Display troubleshooting. So fix 1. Perform a hard power cycle. Press and hold the power button on the front of the Xbox for about 10 seconds until the console shuts down completely. Now unplug the power cable from both the Xbox and the wall outlet. Now wait 10 to 30 seconds to allow any remaining power to drain. Then plug the power cable back in and turn on the console using the power button on your Xbox controller and check whether the display return. Now the fix to reset the Xbox display setting. So turn the Xbox off completely, start the console in low resolution mode. Then for Xbox Series X users, press and hold the power and eject button together until you hear the second startup beep for about 10 seconds after the first beep. For the Series S users, press and hold the power and pair sync button together until you hear two startup beep. The Xbox will start in 640 or 480 low resolution mode. Once the display appears, press the Xbox button and go to Profile. Then click on System, then Settings, then click on General. Now click on TV and Display option. Now select the resolution and refresh rate that are compatible with your TV or monitor. The fix 3. Check the HDMI connection. So make sure the HDMI cable is firmly connected to the Xbox and your TV or monitor. Now verify that the cable is connected to the correct HDMI input on your display. Now try a different HDMI port on your TV or monitor. Then replace the HDMI cable with a certified high-speed HDMI or HDMI 2.1 cable if available. Now inspect the HDMI cable and ports for sign of damage or bent pins. The fix 4. Bypass an AV receiver or HDMI switch. So disconnect the Xbox from any the intermediary device. Then connect the Xbox directly to your TV or monitor using the HDMI cable. Now restart the console and check whether the display works normally. If the picture returns, reconnect your other devices one at a time to identify the source of the problem. Now the fix 5. Adjust video mode and refresh rate. If the screen goes black only when launching game or playing Blu-ray disc, one of the video features may be incompatible with your display. So open the settings, then click on General, then click on TV and Display option, and then Video mode. Now turn off Allow 24 Hz if the issue occurs while watching Blu-ray disc. Then disable the Auto HDR or other advanced video options one at a time. Lower the refresh rate or resolutions if your TV or monitor does not fully support the current settings. Then test the functions completely. So goodbye and thanks for watching.